Good morning from the farm, King Ripley Farms. And that's Willie and Sammy eating their breakfast. And it's a beautiful morning. I think we got some rain. Good morning to the horses, and they're waiting for their breakfast. Hey guys, you're going to be getting your breakfast soon. You're going to be getting your breakfast. There's old Scooter, old Mo, Sterling. Back there's old Tucker. So I hope you're having a good morning, and it's going to be nice and warm today, hopefully. Got a little bit of rain last night, which is great. So anyway, I'm off to go eat my breakfast, so have a good morning. God bless you.